A very good morning to all of you. Thanks for joining us with the open house today. As part of the program, we'll be felicitating our employees for their professional accreditation. To do the honors, let me call our MD on stage.
Good morning everyone. I heartily welcome you all to this open house today. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to felicitate the members who are professionally qualified, and at the same time it's an honor for our company too. So Femina, let's begin the felicitations.
Yes, sure. I now call upon Mr. Mohan on stage.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations again. One more thing that I want to convey today is that the head and the member of these prestigious institutes will be visiting us next month, and I would recommend everyone here to participate and get enrolled yourself in these programs. Any questions?
Sir,
Yes.
what is the benefit of this chartership?
Well, from a company perspective, when we bid a project, having certain number of charter engineers in an organization is always viewed as a plus point.
But what is my benefit?
To answer that question, I would rather suggest you to approach any of our charter engineers and they will help you out. Any more questions? Well, thank you for your time.
Dude, that was cool. Recognition and all. I wonder what it takes to get chartered.
I just wonder what's for lunch.
Come on, man. There's a lot better to talk about Atkins than lunch.
Yeah, better than the food for sure.
Listen, I want to go and talk to Mr. Moon. Fancy coming along?
Okay. I'm anyway not productive.
Look guys, I have gone through their website and it seems that you have to pay a lot to register even. So, and at this point of the month when I have already finished half of my salary, I don't know if I can go for it.
See, and God only knows how long it's gonna take.
Look, let's not assume things. Maybe Atkins will reimburse some of this money.
Oh, really? Do you think so?
I don't know. Either way, it won't hurt to ask. Let's go. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
We were wondering if we could talk to you about chartership for a while.
Fine. Please take a seat. Well, tell me, what do you want?
What is chartership and what are its advantages?
Chartership means getting associated with any bodies which offer you recognition or which offer you membership of that institution. And regarding the benefits, see, the first and foremost thing about getting chartered is a recognition. It is a recognition of your caliber and your competency as a technical professional. Because of your exalted position, you will be privy to all the new developments happening in your profession, like new technologies, materials, and so on and so forth. All these institutions do have a large amount of resources at their disposal, like libraries, knowledge sharing sessions, and all these, and you'll be able to attend in them, and you can avail them at a much discounted rate. All these magazines and all.
And what are the prerequisites for enrollment and how long does it take to get the membership?
The prerequisite is only the relevant education qualification, be it your BTech or your MTech or MS, and then based on your expertise, how you proceed through your professional life and the targets you set, you can attain chartership within a space of around 6 to 7 years.
Sir, what are the institutions that the company is affiliated to?
See, we all belong to different professions. Atkins is associated itself with quite a few number of them, like CIAT for the architecture, then IMechE for the mechanical and aerospace engineers, Cyber for the WNE engineers, ICA for civil engineers, IET, and iStructy for the structural engineers.
So are there any levels or steps in the process?
You can either get chartered as an engineer or as an engineering professional, like engineering technician. That is how the levels you go. Based on your progress through the organization, you will get honorary membership and fellowship and all these.
Who do we approach to get chartered and how do we get registered?
Fine. It's a good question.
We have representatives of each and every one of these institutions among our community, which we call them as scheme owners. Once you've decided which professional body you would like to get registered with, you can go to that scheme owner and get the relevant details. In case you are a bit indecisive about which institution to follow, your line manager, your team lead and all your colleagues will obviously help you.
Sir, about the money.
Obviously, we get paid more.
Actually asking about
I know. The company will reimburse each and every amount of money that you are spending towards your chartership, provided your progress can be measured and is favorable.
Mohan, can you briefly explain the chartership process?
First thing that you need to do is actually preparing your CV, which will show off your achievements and your abilities and your qualifications. You will be assigned to a mentor, and Atkins will help you in finding one of them. And it is this mentor who takes care of you during this chartership process, because he'll be the one who will be setting you the milestones and periodically reviewing it. Once your milestones are met, then you'll be incorporated as a chartered or registered member of the said institution.
Suppose, okay, in this journey towards chartership, or suppose if I do register myself for professional development with the aim of becoming a chartered engineer, and suppose if I don't achieve it, and I do not get that position, so would it have a negative effect on the career or the career path that I'm
Excuse me, yes. Tell me. Mohan, I have mailed you the documents. Please review them.
I'll do that.
I'll do that.
I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
The answer to your question, he is also an example for that, because he is actually in the same position as me, but he, unlike me, is not professionally registered. Being professionally registered is actually a mark of your excellence, but not being so never points out any lack of your technical qualification. Chartership is not the end of your life, because you need to enroll yourself in continuous professional development programs whereby you need to enhance your knowledge so that you can actually redeem your chartership. I'm sorry to say I do have a meeting to get to. So if you have any more queries, please feel free to get back to me.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Dude, I'm really interested in getting myself registered with one of these institutions.
Well, look at this guy. He looks like he's going to get chartered tomorrow itself.
Anyway, actually, jokes apart, even I think it's a pretty good idea.
Yeah, then I need to think about it. Anyways, we have a month's time now.